What's up guys, in this video we're going to be unboxing and testing out the new AirPods 4 with the active noise cancellation feature. I'm super excited to go ahead and try these out. I use AirPods every day for work and for the gym. I'm going to be going to the store, purchasing them, unboxing them for you guys, and then also testing them out at the gym right after. So having said that, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so we just picked up the AirPods. We're right outside Best Buy. Here is the box. It's pretty simple. We have the AirPods here at the very top. And then on the side we just have a AirPods text, and it also says active noise cancellation as well. But besides that, it's a very simple looking box. We do have some pull tabs here on the very back. So we're gonna go ahead and pull those, unbox this real quick for you guys, and let's go ahead and do it. I mean, it's not gonna be nothing crazy. They're just AirPods, so we're not expecting much in here. But here we go, taking off the lid. This is the first thing you'll see. It just says designed by Apple in California. So we'll go ahead and check out what's inside here real quick. So nothing crazy, just some user manuals, probably a quick start guide. And then we have the AirPods themselves, which just fell off. They are wrapped in this little plastic thing. So we'll go ahead and take this off. Boom. Just like that. Okay, we'll just go ahead and slide it off. Boom, like so. And then here they are. Pretty cool. They look very similar to the AirPods 3 case. We do have some holes here on the bottom because this case does have a speaker on it, which is pretty cool, I guess. We'll go ahead and open them up. Here they are. Like I mentioned earlier, I will be doing a comparison to the AirPods 3 shortly, so stay tuned for that video. They look very similar. I think that there is a little bit of a difference, like right here. I don't think that's on the AirPod 3s. Also, these do have that spatial awareness, so if someone's talking to you while these are in, it should translate to where you can hear them good. Like if you have those headphones when you go shooting, it should be something similar to that. At least that's what I think it's gonna be like. But that's literally all that comes inside of the box. There's nothing else in here. It doesn't come with no charger or nothing like that, which is extremely annoying, and I don't know what Apple's thinking selling products without chargers. That's ridiculous in my opinion. That is complete nonsense, but it is what it is. We just paid $179 for a product that doesn't come with the charger. But you know what? Customers like myself is the reason why Apple keeps doing shit like that. We keep buying them. But besides that, let's go ahead and head to the gym. I'm gonna try them out, do like a quick 40-50 minute gym sesh. Other than that, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm back. I did test them out for about an hour at the gym. The noise cancellation definitely does work for sure. However, one thing I did notice was that the conversation awareness works very good, maybe a little bit too well, because when some of that background music would play a little bit loud, it would lower down music in the AirPods. So it is a little sensitive, but so far I am liking what I'm seeing. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed the video, please smash the like button. It really does help out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.